This video demonstrates the creation of a curtain wall easily through ELVIAL Pro. Following the creation of the project, we proceed to define the system preferences for this project. First, we select the appropriate profiles for both the mullions, vertical elements, and the transoms, horizontal elements. Here, there is the option to configure different profiles for the top and bottom transoms, as well as for the left and right mullions, in addition to slant and curved elements. Next, we define the transom mullion connection types required for the current project. Finally, you have the option to save these parameters as a general preference, making them available for future projects as well, thereby saving time. In the position we are going to create, static data will be enabled. At this point, let us mention a few brief details regarding structural analysis. They can be defined either from the general preferences or for each project individually. The selection of static data is performed either by selecting the country corresponding to the project, and choosing from the available options, or via free input by entering various heights and the wind pressure for each of them. We fill in the dimensions for this position. We select the desired position properties. As well as the maximum glazing thickness. At this point, it is worth noting that when static analysis is enabled, it is provided the capability to view the structural static diagram of the position. We will select only the first option. However, it is available multiple elements to select for display. Moreover, ELVIAL Pro performs an automatic adequacy check for the mullions against wind pressure, taking into account the specified value. For positions of great height, like this one, the addition of a slab is useful. First, we define the name we wish on the corresponding slab. Next, we determine its installation height from the 0 reference level, and finally, we declare the thickness of the slab. The profile options we previously defined in the preferences have been applied automatically. The option for mullion transom connections can be changed by selecting Profile Connectors. The option we previously defined in the system preferences is now selected by default. The selection of accessories for top and bottom support is performed from here, either in bulk or individually. The symbol on the mullions indicates the adequacy ratio. In this case, the value has exceeded the permissible limits, making the addition of additional support necessary. Support along the length of the mullion is carried out from here. In this position, we will select pin support for the left mullion. Once added, we can copy it by clicking here. By selecting another mullion that does not feature a pin support, we can paste it by selecting here. The Copy Profile Configuration option is ideal when we want to apply additions or modifications from one mullion to multiple mullions simultaneously. Initially, we select the element from which we wish to copy, and then we select the mullions to which we want the changes to be applied while holding down the Control key on the keyboard. When supports have been successfully applied to the position, they appear at the corresponding height with an arrow, as shown here. Through the material packages, the selection of accessories for drainage is available. Now, we will proceed with the addition at two different heights. And copy to every second mullion. Wherever they have been applied, they will appear on the position at the corresponding height with the letter M, as shown here. For connections with masonry, special profiles are available. These can be selected from here. We choose for each side. As you see in the cross sections, the special profiles have been applied to the position. The procedure is completed with the addition of the glazing. As shown, the specific glass is suitable for the wind pressure loads received by this particular position. Thank you for watching this video.